Imagine how traumatizing it is to find out that your aide has been backstabbing you. Trump uncontrollable after an evidence was brought to court. Stay tuned, let's get right into this. Details of the former President Donald Trump's assistant giving the FBI damaging information in 2023 have surfaced, placing him in a difficult situation once again. The information was discovered as part of a Florida criminal prosecution involving Trump's valet and co-defendant, Walt Nauta. According to Raw Story on Sunday, April 28, 2024, Judge Aileen Cannon's decision to publicly release records has revealed a wealth of fresh data that provides insight into Trump's purported behavior. The recently made public information indicates that Nauta told a grand jury that before departing for the evening, Trump would carelessly toss documents on the floor. This conduct may be connected to the improper handling of secret materials, which is a major area of dispute in the Trump legal case. The assertion that a very tiny screwdriver or a coat hanger might be used to open the Mar-a-Lago storage room, where Trump is claimed to have stashed highly sensitive materials for more than a year, is one especially devastating discovery. An alleged Trump assistant provided FBI investigators with this information, further contradicting Trump's claims that the papers were safeguarded at all times. The legal team representing Trump has been adamantly advocating for the release of the prosecution side's evidence, so the revelation of this material is a serious setback for them. Judge Cannon's decision to make the records public is a partial win for Trump's legal team, but the information in the filings provides a significant obstacle to his case. The disclosures cast doubt on Trump's adherence to national security procedures and his handling of secret material. Should the accusations prove to be accurate, Trump may face severe repercussions, including more legal issues and reputational harm. It will be interesting to observe how Trump reacts to these most recent events. Given his prior actions, he would probably still adamantly reject any wrongdoing and present himself as the victim of a political witch hunt. In the continuing legal drama involving the former president, the FBI received proof that Trump's assistant had disclosed. The disclosures undermine Trump's defense of his innocence and give rise to grave questions about his actions throughout his presidency. The case may continue to develop and reveal the whole scope of Trump's alleged wrongdoing, which would further impede his chances going forward. Once again, in the middle of his continuing legal disputes, President Donald Trump is in charge of Trump Tower, a quiet symbol of the times we live in. The once bustling public places have descended into an unnerving stillness, with construction delays casting a shadow over their previous liveliness. As reported by Raw Story on Saturday, April 27, 2024, the famous waterfall, which was previously a representation of grandeur, is mute today, reflecting the situation as it is. Trump Tower seems to have lost some of its opulence, as shown in a set of candid images obtained by Nell Scoville of the Daily Beast. The so-called Trump Crown Jewel is a collection of closed retail stores that are being renovated, a vacant currency exchange booth, and a Trump Tower gift shop that is still decked up with campaign mementos from 2020. One painful sign of the tower's present status is the loss of the renowned 60-foot waterfall, which the Trump organization previously proudly bragged about. With astute observation, Scoville states, "A waterfall without water is just a wall. This lack of grandeur is a reflection of a bigger story of neglect and deterioration." Even the once bustling Trump Cafe is now under renovation. Staff members on the premises are skeptical of the hopeful May reopening predictions. The feeling of desertion is heightened by the closing of public terraces, which may be against a municipal agreement. What was previously a colorful outdoor area has been covered with mirrors and secured. A single black garbage can, set against a background of shiny brass and glass, punctuates the tale, serving as a sobering reminder of the diminishing foot traffic and the tower's lost attraction. Through the lens of Scoville, a moment frozen in time is captured, presenting a reality that stands in stark contrast to the tower's opulent history. Beyond its actual walls, this visual story of Trump Tower's fall is compelling. With Trump's legal troubles echoing the tower's deteriorating magnificence, it represents a larger change in the political environment. Trump and his brand are facing more significant difficulties, which are symbolized by the contrast between their former greatness and current disregard. Looking through Scoville's gaze into this formerly prominent area, Viewers see not just a dilapidated edifice but also a reflection of shifting political